Hello. Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you trigonometry, height and distance, chapter 9 NCERT. Previous lecture I have explained about this, some important things. Now you will see the example of this chapter. Example, how will you see? Example number 1 is given: a tower stands vertically on a ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of a tower. Important things. First of all, you will draw the tower. Tower is this. You will suppose it is a tower. AB is a tower, and from a point on the ground 15 meter away from it, the angle of elevation of top of the tower found to be 60 degree. Angle of elevation of a top of tower from a point C is 60 degree. It is given. So in the book figure is given, but don't see the figure, because you will read the question and then by yourself. In the book it is given the figure. These figures you don't see. Yourself you draw the figure. So it is given 60 degree. You want to find out the height of a tower. How will you get the height of a tower? Very simple. This is you want. It is a right triangle. Perpendicular base, hypotenuse. So perpendicular base relation is cot and tan. So you will apply any one. Tan 60 degree is equal to AB upon AC. What is the AB upon AC? Tan 60 is root 3, AB is H upon 15. Cross multiply. So H is equal to 15 under root 3. Therefore, don't leave here. Otherwise, your half marks will be deducted in the step evaluation in the board examination. You will write down here height of tower. Height of tower is equal to 15 root 3 meter. If the value of root 3 is given, then you can solve it by putting the root 3 value. If not given as it is, you can write the answer. Second example of the book is given. An electrician has a repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. 5 meter high pole is given. Example 2. 5 meter high pole is given, and there is a ladder you want to place, but electrician is not reaching the top. This height is given 5 meter from the ground, but electrician want to put the ladder till the height 1.3. How much? Pole. What is the risk? 1.3 meter below the top of the pole, undertaking the repair, because there is a wires. So from here electrician will repair these wires. So it is a 1.3 meter. What is given? 1.3 meter you will get. A ladder you want to place A, B, C. Ladder will be like this. You are putting. It is not here, it will be here. So what is the here? It means this pole will be left. So A, B, C, it is a D. So BC is your actual height, and then angle of the ladder forming horizontal is 60 degree. Ladder forming 60 degree with the horizontal. You are getting, it is the angle of elevation. Word is not given. Angle of elevation word is given or not given, because it is forming with the ground horizontal line, so it must be elevation. So here you are getting elevation angle. Apply tan 60. Your question is given. Also find the foot of the ladder from the pole and height, this length of the ladder. You want to find out this. You want to find out length of the ladder. You want to find out this distance AB also. How much distance it is. So very simple question. So what will you do here? First of all, you apply tan 60. But tan 60, this right triangle AB is not given, BC is not given. Root 3 value is given. What is the root 3 given? In this, the root 3 is given 1.73. Only 1.73 is given root 3. When your answer, you will see here tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to BC upon AB. BC upon AB. But you don't know. Tan 60 is root 3. BC you don't know. BC upon AB. AB is Y. What is the BC? BC is given. You can apply the distance of ladder from this place, and you can also find out this sin 60. You can put sin 60. So what are you getting? BC. BC is equal to BD minus CD. BC is equal to, what is the name given in the book? I don't know. BD minus CD. BD minus CD, that is 5 minus 1.3, you will get 3.7 meter. So here you can write root 3 is equal to 3.7 by y. So what is the y? Y is 3.7 upon root 3, gives you 3.7 by root 3, 1.73, or rationalize, your answer will be distance. Distance means AB approx value 2.14 you will get. That calculation you do yourself. Approx value of the ladder from this, it is meter. By putting, dividing, or you rationalize and then divide by 3. Another part is given, this you want. You want x. So sin 60 also you put. Sin 60 is equal to P upon H. What is the P? Perpendicular is BC. BC upon, and hypotenuse is AC. BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. What is the BC? BC is given 3.7 upon AC is given x. So it is the length of the ladder. Length of the ladder is equal to x root 3 is equal to 2 into 3.7. So x is equal to 2, 7, the 14, 2, 3, the 6, and 1, 7.4 upon root 3. Now you put the value and solve it. Root 3 rationalized by root 3 and then get your answer approx 4.28 meter. 4.28 meter approx you will get. Calculations you can do yourself, and then you don't put x and y as it is. It is the length of the foot of the ladder from the base of this, which is y. You will write here word in the statement form, and here also you write in the statement form. Third question is given. Third question number, third example of this in exercise you are getting. There is a observer. One observer is there. Example number 3 is given, which is 1.5 meter tall. Third one, example number 3, one observer which is 1.3 meter tall. Observer is given 1.3 meter, 1.5 meter tall. One observer. And 28.5 meter away from a chimney. 28.5 meter away from a chimney, it is a chimney. Chimney is there. The angle of elevation of the chimney from her eye is 45 degree. It is the angle of elevation. Elevation, now it is a problem. AB is the observer, CD is chimney, and 28.4 meter, it is a trapezium. Where is the 45 you will put? I have told you elevation is always by the dotted line, horizontal line. Don't put hole, it is acute angle. So here it is a 45 degree. And if you produce, and because trapezium you can't solve, you want to get a right triangle here. So all are here righty, then you will get a right triangle this. So A is a right triangle. A form the rectangle here. So it will be 1.5 meter. It is 28.5, then it will be also 8.5, which is your rule of rectangle, opposite side of rectangle. EC is equal to 1.5 meter. So you can get here, and in your question you want to find out what is the height of the chimney. Height of the chimney means CD you want. So you first find out this part, and then you will get the in triangle AE, in triangle AED. What are you getting? Tan 45 is equal to DE upon AE. So what is the tan 45? 1. DE upon AE is 28.5. Therefore, D is equal to 28.5 meter. Don't do the mistake here. It is not the height. Height is CD. So height of chimney is equal to B plus EC. That is 28.5 plus 1.5, that is 30 meter. You are getting, your answer is 30 meter. So you are getting this. Angle of elevation means your eyelids is up. You are seeing up. When your eyelids is going to down, it means you are getting the eyelids are going upward direction or downward like this. Then it is the angle of elevation, angle of depression. So it is a very important part. Thanks for today, and in next lecture I will explain the rest example of the book. Thanks to all.